Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Now that we've looked at the opportunities and key players in the EV market, it's time to talk about the risks. In this video, we'll explore the challenges and things to keep in mind when investing in electric vehicles. Shifting investor preferences. Investors are not just chasing profits, they're chasing purpose. There's a rising trend toward ESG, environmental, social, and governance investing, and EVs fit squarely into this framework. The notion that profit and planet don't coexist is fading, making EV investments a win-win for many portfolios. Why is ESG gaining traction? Regulatory pressure. Companies are being held accountable for reducing their carbon footprint. Investing in EVs aligns with these sustainability goals. Consumer expectations. People are choosing brands that prioritize sustainability. Investors see this shift and follow the money. Long-term returns. Firms prioritizing ESG factors often outperform in the long run because they address risks tied to environmental and social changes. And here's where EVs add extra appeal. This isn't just a sector that checks the ESG box. It's a transformative industry driven by innovation and future-focused goals. More funds, like green energy ETFs or clean transportation mutual funds, are allocating significant percentages to this space, signaling strong conviction in its prospects. Investing in EVs now isn't just a smart move to ride the market's momentum. It's also a chance to align with broader societal shifts shaping the future of business and the planet itself. Key players in the EV market. The electric vehicle market is growing rapidly, but not every company is driving change at the same speed. Some automakers are mainstays, others are disruptors, and then there are the essential suppliers powering the entire ecosystem. For investors, understanding the key players in this space is crucial to identifying opportunities in this competitive and highly innovative industry. Established EV automakers. When it comes to EVs, a handful of major companies have already carved out significant market share. These brands are setting the standard for technology, production scale, and consumer trust. Tesla. Tesla isn't just a household name, it's the face of the EV revolution. With a commanding lead in the industry, Tesla's cutting-edge battery technology, proprietary charging network, and focus on software innovation make it a cornerstone of the EV market. The company's global market share remains strong, bolstered by models like the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y, which consistently rank as top sellers worldwide. BYD, Build Your Dreams. Hailing from China, BYD is a major player not just in EV production but also batteries. Supported by strong government backing and a rapidly growing domestic market, BYD leads in volume production. It's one of the few automakers able to compete directly with Tesla in terms of scale and reach. Legacy automakers transitioning to EVs. Companies like General Motors, GM, Volkswagen, and Ford are not just talking about EVs, they're investing billions to pivot toward electric models. GM's Ultium platform, Ford's F-150 Lightning truck, and Volkswagen's ID series are just the start. These brands leverage their vast manufacturing resources, dealer networks, and customer bases to accelerate the shift to electric. Disruptor brands. While established automakers are ramping up their EV efforts, several startups and disruptors are charging ahead with unique strategies and bold visions. Rivian. Rivian has captured attention with its electric trucks and SUVs, designed for adventure and off-roading. While still in the early stages of production, its vehicles have created a buzz and secured major investments, including a stake from Amazon. Lucid Motors. Lucid has quickly positioned itself as the luxury EV brand, aiming to compete with Tesla's high-end offerings. With the Lucid Air, the company is pushing the boundaries of electric performance, design, and range. NIO. Based in China, NIO is quickly becoming a major player in the global EV market with its electric SUVs and sedans. The company is known for its unique battery swapping technology, which allows for rapid battery exchanges rather than waiting for a recharge. This innovation sets NIO apart from competitors. Critical supply chain players. Behind every electric vehicle is an intricate network of suppliers. These companies provide the key materials, like lithium and cobalt, essential for batteries. They're the unsung heroes of the EV ecosystem. Battery manufacturers. Companies like CATL, LG Chem, and Panasonic are at the forefront of battery production, providing the power that keeps EVs running. As demand for EVs skyrockets, so does the need for high-quality, high-capacity batteries. Charging infrastructure companies. Firms like ChargePoint and Blink Charging are crucial for building out the public charging networks that make EV ownership more practical. They're benefiting from growing consumer adoption and government funding. Risks and challenges. Of course, no investment comes without risks. EVs, while exciting and innovative, aren't immune to challenges that could impact their growth trajectory. For investors, understanding these risks is key to making informed decisions. Supply chain constraints. The global supply chain remains a bottleneck, especially for critical materials like semiconductors and rare earth metals used in EV batteries. The demand for these materials has surged as the EV market grows, but supply is limited, making it a potential point of weakness. Battery shortages. Battery manufacturing is one of the most capital-intensive and time-consuming aspects of EV production. Any shortage or delay in the supply of batteries could lead to production slowdowns and missed opportunities. Regulatory uncertainty. Government policies, while supportive of the EV industry, can also be unpredictable. Any changes in tax incentives, subsidies, or environmental regulations could disrupt the market. For example, shifts in government leadership or changes in environmental policy could alter the incentives currently available to consumers or manufacturers. Competitive pressures. The EV market is becoming crowded, with both traditional automakers and newcomers vying for dominance. As competition intensifies, companies may have to slash prices or increase spending on R&D to maintain market share, which could hurt profitability in the short term. The rise of electric vehicles is more than just a passing trend, it's a transformative movement that's reshaping industries and society. As an investor, now's the time to harness the momentum in this space and explore the opportunities ahead. Whether you're investing in established players like Tesla or betting on disruptors like Rivian, the electric vehicle industry is poised for significant growth. However, as with any investment, it's essential to weigh the risks alongside the rewards. With the right strategy, investing in EVs can be both financially rewarding and part of a broader commitment to sustainability. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.